All right, welcome back, everybody. We are so back with another live stream. This is Ratworks 5, I think. I'm not sure. I think it was 5. And first of all, have a good Sunday, everybody. I hope you're having a good day. This is my new ritual. I'm just live streaming on Sundays, middle of the fucking day, just chilling, just chatting, whatever, just doing fuck all. So it's feels great. Also doing some productive work, hopefully. But yeah, guys, welcome. Feel free to type something. I don't know. Yeah. This is unplanned. So what are we doing? We're just gonna dive right into the PRs and issues and everything. But before that, I just want to say, if you have any questions, I'm just like trying to turn on my fan here. If you have any questions, or if you want to say anything, or anything unrelated, doesn't really matter. You can just use the chat and so on, and it's all good. Feel free to interrupt me. I'm happy to answer questions. And I like it better when this is like interactive, So yeah, just want to say that real quick. And yeah, let's just take a look at some stuff now. Thanks for liking the live stream, by the way. I just saw that somebody liked the live stream. So thanks for. I don't know what happens when you like this live stream, and that affects the algorithm or not, or whatever, but whatever. So yeah, guys, so I have a list of things that I want to take a look at today. Maybe let's start off with something small, just to warm up a little bit. On my other screen, I'm just taking a look at the list of issues. So we have one in the awesome repo. I think somebody built a new app, so we gotta just quickly take a look at that. Quiet Pigeon. Do I know this person? I feel like I know him. Yeah, I think I saw this thing. I like the profile picture. Anyways, so link to the project, Depot RS. Let's see what this is. I don't know why it takes forever to load. I think I need to update Firefox. I'm gonna just go to here. The tree for managing crates. Okay. So this is like the crates as in the installed binaries, I think. This is quite cool, actually. I like it. I'm gonna give it a star. Let's just build it, guys. Let's just build and see what this is about. Depot RS. 1 second. Alright, so I trust this person, so I'm just gonna run it. Don't ask me why I trust it. I think I trust him because his name is Pigeon, but whatever. I'm just lagging while building something. I'm just like watching OBS and just lagging, dude. I don't know why Rust is taking so much CPU. So yeah, that's that. I think I'm just gonna approve it. Looks like a cool app. Let's see this section that he put this into. Productivity and utilities, okay. Error, handle crate info, what? Okay. Just gonna report it, I guess. That just didn't work for me. Fetching crates and crate info. So just gonna go here. New issue. Error after. Well, I don't know, like after, probably after fetching crate. Hello, gold, silver, copper. Good grind, man. How's it going? Error while. Just after, I don't know. Crates. Hey, nice app. I'm getting this error right after fetching crates screen and the Tui exits. I think it's pretty clear that if I'm getting an error, then the Tui is just exiting. Good, good. Was getting ready for bed, but so you just went online. You're doing good too. Yeah, I mean, can't complain, I guess. Just grinding, you know. Getting ready for bed. Like, what time zone are you in, bro? It's 12 here, like PM. Any ideas? Well, I can probably figure it out myself. Let's see. Well, I'm not gonna spend time on this. A PSD, okay, got it. Why this might be. Also, it would be nice to have a more verbose error message for cases like this. Okay. Let's just merge it. Did I approve it already? Nope. Nice. Shoot you an issue. All right. Let me take a look at what else we have. So we have this PR. Is the group chat for tomorrow still on? What time? I'm thinking. So in case guys don't know, we have a Discord channel, we have a Discord server, and we're thinking of going live while just talking on the voice chat. And I'm thinking it might be like today is your tomorrow, I know, like 20 CAT, Central European time. So but somebody said it's like too late for them, so I was thinking 19, but then somebody else said it's like too early. So I don't know, I think I'll just go with 20 CAT. Does that work for you? We can talk about this, we have time. But I think I'm gonna make it like at least 8 hours from now on. So yeah. In case sounds like I'll be up by then. In case anyone else wants to join, we have the link to the server on this website, so there you go. All right. Enable truncation for text widgets. Clippy is failing. This is because of the yeah. Snap any packet. What the fuck is that nickname, bro? Any chance we'll see at the FOSDEM 2026? Probably not, because of visa situations. If anyone wants to sponsor my visa, then yeah, sure. But otherwise, seems not possible. Maybe, I don't know. I need to check. It's problematic. It's a nice nickname, bro. I like your username. I like your username. Pretty nice username. But I don't agree with your username. So we have some clippy errors and undocumented fields and so on. But yeah, this was a pretty nice, pretty neat implementation. I'm just gonna add it to this milestone. Okay, I should just stop saying these filler okay and alright words while I'm taking a look at stuff. I should just learn to shut the fuck. Okay, I'm sorry myself. I'm not. Okay, why am I talking to myself? Guys, let's be more interactive, guys. Ask me questions. Real life, okay? Real life. You have me, alright? People pay to talk with me. You have me right now. You're just seeing me live, okay? I was just kidding. But you can ask me questions. Thanks a lot. Wishing everyone a great day away from Snap Packages. Thank you. That's a great wishes. Great wishes like that. Thank you. Appreciate that. So there's this little PR that I want to work on. It's not little, but some docs stuff. So maybe we can just take a look at that. My internet is so slow today. So this is just the documentation improvement. When was the last time you did game down? Do you have any sort of dream game you would want to make? I think the last time was like a couple of years ago. It's been I feel like it's been a long time. Yeah. A dream game. Something open world. Something about some animals. Like bugs and insects, chickens, lizards maybe. Maybe a lizard simulator would be pretty neat. A rat simulator maybe. That would be even better. A rat simulator, there you go. A rat simulator. Does that exist actually? Ah shit. Fuck, I'm not making a game. People created all the ideas, god damn it. Okay, I'm making a lizard simulator. Lizard simulator. What the Okay, I'm not. Okay. Have you seen rats Insta? What? Rat simulator in Ratatouille? Yeah, that would be nice. I haven't seen that. What is that? I already pinged him. Maybe I could at least like resolve the conflicts and make it like ready for making changes or something. It's like quick, very fast FPS game, but you're a rat. What? Looks like... It looks disgusting. I don't know if that's the right word to describe it, but the graphics, colors are just like... I don't like that, but concept wise, it's good. I like it. I like rats. Not gonna lie, dude. But yeah, maybe we can try it out on live stream one day. Is it like free? I don't want to install Steam. That's just like painful, man. Install Steam and do a bunch of install and then configuration, and then yeah, I don't like that. Let me take a look at the changes. No, I never played it and it's not free. Just remember to be popular for a while and Arena, a few circles, yes, Steam on Linux kinda sucks, yeah. I mean, only game that I played recently through Steam on Linux is just Rat Shaker, and it was worth it. I mean, I actually bought that game. I don't usually like play or like do anything related to games, but that was worth it. So I went ahead and installed it, configured Proton or whatever, and yeah, that was nice. So it should really worth it if I'm gonna play a game, you know. I don't know why I rebased it, but whatever, I guess. No verify. Don't run this command, it's very dangerous, okay? We're force pushing and also we're not verifying the contents. Only the professionals should run this command. I'm definitely not a professional, I'm just a rat. I mean, this is like a very small PR. I don't know why this is sitting in review. Note that the scroll bar behaves differently to what you might be used to. For example, remember it was in that scrolls when selecting an item, regardless of whether all content fits into the current viewport. This needs to be set if the viewport size differs from the track length, which may be the case if begin and end symbols are set. I used to game a lot, but nowadays I mainly program. The good thing about doing game dev though is you get to play while you test. Yep. Is an Arch thing? Steam and Proton works very easily for me on Fedora though. Just realized my video is lagging because of all the Rust analyzer stuff that I'm running in the background. Guys, I'm thinking, what if we can actually use AI to fix this? So or maybe not. I'm just gonna like leave a comment here. I don't know what else I can do. Like we just basically waiting for this person to finish this up. All right, moving on. I was curious the other day when you were traveling to all those conferences internationally, did you get sponsored to go there or did you go out of pocket? It depends. I mean, I would say half of the time I get sponsored and half of the time I just like pay it out of the pocket. Any news on when you said those Chinese investors? No, I should probably ping them on WeChat. Yeah, that would be nice. Guys, just as a, just as context, I was in China and I was at a conference and some Chinese investors were curious about Ratatouille. They were not like, I don't think they fully understood the library, but that's fine. They were just like excited because people were excited, they're like, what is that, what is it doing, and so on and so forth. But nothing came out of that so far. I gave them my email. Maybe we should just go for Chinese VCs, man. Just get money from Chinese VCs, that's what you gotta do when the open source thing doesn't work out. You gotta just get money from Chinese VCs and just live your life, man. This is what we're gonna do, man. I'm gonna send them an email now. I'm gonna just ping them and say, hey, let's collab, let's do something, give me money and just whatever, I'll just build tweets for you or whatever. That's like the thing about funding Ratatouille. You don't know how to sell it. It's not easy. You cannot say, hey, take this thing, give me money. It's like, it's like a library and it's like a fun thing. So you can say, hey, I can build fun stuff, give me money, but that doesn't usually work out. It's not like a product. Guys, let's brainstorm about this. Let's get funding. Let's get stacking you on it. Absolutely. I don't know, man. It's like selling or like, promoting an open source project as something that could people benefit from financially is a bit strange. So this ecosystem projects. Let's add this section to the website. I've been thinking about this this week. I couldn't find time to do it, but maybe we can do it now. So Ratatui website. Making money with OSS seems really hard. Wish it was somehow more viable. Yeah, dude. Guys, just to be honest here, and it's like a personal thing, but I'm gonna share with you. Next year I don't have anything to do, so I'm not gonna make any money from any project, like just the sponsorships. I'll have just the sponsorships, so I need to focus on something for the next year. So I need to either find a job, you know, G-O-B, I'm sorry, it's cringe, I know, or get funding for one of my projects somehow to survive, or I'll just like become a influencer and just create drama on the internet and just get money. I don't fucking know, bro. Like, I need to do something for next year, so I'm a bit stressed about that, but we'll see. So if you have a brilliant idea about making money from TUIs, sell that to me. I think I'm gonna go to main. Let's do new add ecosystem projects. I think I already added a section here, right? Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Am I missing dependencies? I feel that I've been employed like 4 years. I get food stamps from the government. Dude, we should all find a way to just make money from open source, and we're just gonna make money from whatever we actually enjoy, and the world will be a better place. Just imagine a fair world where we can just make money from pushing comments to our favorite thing that will actually, you know, make people use that thing, and, you know, something useful. What I'm trying to say is contribute to something useful and make money. That would be the dream. That would be the dream, and it's like very personal. So something useful for me might not be useful for you, and something useful for you might not be useful for me. So, you know, but it's useful at the end for somebody, and it's gonna be useful for some other people as well. So why not just, you know, build cool stuff and survive somehow? I'm not asking for fucking millions of dollars, dude. I'm just asking for, you know, asking for the minimal thing that I could just survive. Well, it would be nice to just, you know, have millions of dollars so that I can contribute to other projects financially. You know, I can fund a bunch of other tools and stuff, but that's not my goal in the first stage. I just want to like survive. Why is it taking forever to install these freaking dependencies? I think we updated them, that's why it's not building. But in the meantime, we don't need to wait that. Let me just dive into it, man. So ecosystem, I'm thinking animations. I think today I feel, oh my god, dude, €5. Boom, guys, thank you for cheese today. Ferris. Thank you for your cheese. I'm gonna like that. All right, guys. Thank you for joining this live stream. I'm gonna see you in the next one. My job is done here. I'm gonna go and eat cheese. Take care. Of course, I'm just kidding. So, animations with text effects. Is it still building? Okay. Hopefully this will just start so that we can actually test this. I got bamboozled. Yeah. Sorry, my bad. I do those things. Okay, some fucking errors. Oh hell nah, bro. I don't wanna debug any of these shits. But seems to be fine. Embedded with mouse food. Maybe I should like have yeah, I'm just like thinking about styling, dude. So let's see how this looks like. Hopefully this website will work. Come on. Guys, by the way, we are revamping the landing page. So this will look super amazing. We're right now just discussing the design in the Discord. And I need to fix this fucking demo 2 GIF. It's still broken. I don't know how to fix it. But maybe we can take a look at this today as well. Let me just open this up so that I will not forget it. But this landing page will look really cool. We're trying to push that for the next release, so gonna be nice. So where's the ecosystem? Dude, where is the... Like, I want to... This is not what I want. I just want these things to be listed here. I don't want them to list like that. Why is it? So, okay, let me just take a look at how this works. Installation. Hello. Vaishnav Sabargirish. I don't know how to pronounce your names, so I'm sorry if I butchered it. But what up, man? How's it going? Good to see you here. I think we need to list them. Collapsed? No, do not collapse them. Or maybe collapse them. Okay, let me just create some files. Techie on effects MD. Let me just remove all these things. Going good, thanks for asking. Guys, in case you don't know, I'm gonna try to remember your username. Yeah, there you go. Your username is basically your name. Vaishnav, he has pretty nice projects. I think you should take a look at his profile. Dude, you have a lot of things here, like... I don't like scrolling through. Okay, maybe try to simplify your profile. Just take it as a little, like a, you know, like a little comment. I think you should simplify this thing a little bit. But anyways, so this thing is pretty nice. This project is pretty nice. In case you're doing embedded, this is for like serial monitor. Anyways, hopefully you got your your little promotion from this live stream. I just like to help out my fellow open source developers, so I just want to show his projects a little bit. But what the hell is going on now? Title required. Data does not match collection schema. Oh. Oh, I just changed the... Okay, there you go. Changed the wrong file, dude. Alright, now what? Okay, we can simply have these MD files. We don't need to have the index MDX, I guess. Do we need to have index MDX? Does this order start from 0 or 1? I guess it's like starts from 1. Okay, I'm just gonna copy these things real quick. Oops. Gonna just remove index file. Okay, guys, how does this look? Shadow animation is embedded. I'm gonna actually change this thing here. Okay, there you go. I think it looks good. So I'm gonna basically add some general info about these projects here. Yeah, thanks for confirming. I'm gonna just copy image link. I'm not sure how detailed this thing should be, to be honest. Like, should I mention how to use this? Or just like, you know, general info? General info should be good, okay. CD with one example. The thing is, if I use code blocks, they might get outdated really quick. Yeah, that's a good idea. So something like this, maybe. Does this have a website? Documentation. I can also link to docs.rs, which should be... Oh well, this doesn't have much info here. This is
pretty cool, man. Okay, let me see. Get things started. Yeah, I'm gonna include one of them. Effects API, let's add that. Now let me link to quick start as well. Example, maybe. Do we have an example here? Yeah, we have examples. Yeah, let me just link to examples. Examples. Yeah, that should be good. And as a last thing, you can also try out these effects on your browser. Yeah. FTL. Yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. This is one of the like the most like full-fledged stable libraries I've ever seen. Like, it's crazy. You can basically play around with these. I'm gonna send a link in case you guys wanna just play around. Oh my god, dude, this is pretty cool. And you can just like copy paste this thing. Oh my god. Did you see that? God damn, dude. Fire. This is so cool, man. Advanced. You can also like change this text by just pasting an ANSI sequence here. Yeah, yeah. Canvas. Also, it uses Ratzilla for this website, which is another cool thing. But anyways, let me just copy image link. JackDog also did some great work on embedded Unicode fonts for mouthful. Yeah, it's just great, man. That didn't do anything. I was expecting to see this thing shown as a tip. Okay, there you go. I think this info is enough. What do you guys think? Yesterday I attended a Rust meetup here, and all of them were talking about you and Ratatui. Wow, dude, that's amazing. I should come around and just give a talk, or to just meet up with people maybe. Where was this meetup? India. Yeah, Rust India. The website is built with which maybe is also built with Ratatui through Radzilla. So I'm gonna link to that. Ecosystem Radzilla. I mean, it's not like big conference thing, more like just a community thing. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You can start from somewhere. Okay, let's do the Radzilla now. So I think I have a demo GIF somewhere. Or maybe I can link to just demo. Okay. Right arrow. When will the Ratatui website be rewritten in Radzilla? Dude, it's gonna take some time, but I think it's gonna happen because there's already an issue about embedding some Radzilla rendered views inside the website. So since we are using WebAssembly, you can actually just render tweets inside the website. So when we do that, it will be partly in Radzilla, but I think that would be pretty cool. Either way, like, you know, just having tweets, like interactive stuff in there. But yeah, I don't know, maybe I can take a look at this today as well, but let's see. Guys, I don't have a demo GIF for this. Like, what am I gonna put here? I think I can download it from Mastodon because I posted it. 1 second, I think I have it here somewhere. Yeah. So save video. This is a video though. So whatever. We can we embed videos in on the website? Probably, but okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm basically gonna .1f something. I'm gonna push this to the repo. But it's an MP4, okay. FFmpeg to AVIF. I don't want to upload it to the assets. Okay, MP4 to GIF. Just gonna use one of the websites, bro. It's easier. Sorry for disappointing you, but just gonna do this for now. You guys are just crying right now. I think Ferris will take his €5 back after seeing me using a website. Demo, okay. Alright. How big is this, by the way? 21 meg, what the fuck? Okay, I'm not gonna upload 13 megabytes. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be very smart. Check this out. I'm gonna upload it to GitHub. What failed to upload? Guys, what the hell is going on? Can I just upload the MP4 at least? I'll just use the video tag then. This won't work. Oh man, how am I? Well, maybe it will work. Let's see. Nope. Okay, compress GIF. Guys, I'm sorry, but we're just gonna compress this thing. Let's see. Using a website again. 12 megabytes. So are you making the website with Zola? Do you mean the Ratatui website? No, that's been built with Astro and Starlight, so it's like JS. It's not Zola. Hi everyone, just dropping by and really would like to thank you for maintaining Ratatouille. I'm learning Rust now mostly for the reasons of wanting to use Ratatouille to develop a C for Chinese astrology. Really thanks for such a high quality framework. Yeah, that's great to hear, man. I'm looking forward to your project. Sounds really intriguing, so glad that Ratatouille is helping you out on that. Definitely send a link to Discord or just add it to our awesome repo when it's complete. I'm curious. Guys, I hate this GIF stuff, so if I'm pick command to create GIF from MP4, but also compress it so it's under 5 megabytes. I don't know what this is doing, but I'm just gonna paste it. It's doing something. Is it done? What happened? Okay, it created something. It's 1 megabytes. Wow. It's shittiest quality ever, though. It's like, okay, that GIF sucked. Just give me the command to convert from MP4 to GIF. Still really bad. Wow. Why is it so hard to just like do this, man? What the hell? What the hell? I mean, writing Rust is easier than this. Just converting files is more difficult, not gonna lie. Okay, just compress it, for fuck's sake. Paste all commands except sudo rm or f, except any command is good. Thank you, man. Thank you for confirming. Guys, look at my t-shirt. Literally have Rust on my t-shirt. Not sure if you can read it. This is how dedicated I am to this game, okay? I'm so dedicated. Senior Rust engineer versus GIF format, impossible difficulty, dude. I'm having headaches now because of this problem. But anyways, we can just like continue with adding more stuff. Quick starts. Websites built with Ratzilla. Examples. I'm getting a call. Okay, backhand. 1 second, guys. Let me So I'm not sure if I should add this, but yeah, I think it would be nice. New project idea, FFmpeg tweet, just select what, change the format and voila. What do you think? I think it would be pretty nice. Somebody should do it. Try removing the scale flag in the FFmpeg command. Okay, let's try that. How do I... Dude, I removed that, but now... Okay, I'm just gonna remove everything. I think this will just generate a really big GIF file now. Examples. Supported, available. Backends. Or maybe I should just link to the API docs. It's literally the same stuff, but API documentation. Yeah, I mean it created the GIF at the same size of MP4. Okay, let's try your command. I'm gonna copy that. Oops, I couldn't do that for some reason. Okay. Okay, 3 megabytes. It's kind of alright. I can use it if this thing doesn't work out. Saved. Okay, just download the demo 2. Let's use demo 2. It's still fucking 11 megabytes. Dude. Maybe I can just upload it to GitHub. No, it just fails. I'll just upload the 3 megabyte. Maybe I can just increase the FPS to make it 15 maybe. Yeah, let me just do 15. I think it's fine. Like this. So it's demo. It's just 4 megabytes. It should upload it. AI says this is good. No, I think I'm done with this. I spent a lot of time on this. A lot of unnecessary time. All right. Just gonna take that, paste it here. Rattatouille demo. Why is it still showing in video tag? What the hell? What? Oh, it's because of this. Okay, I got it. Just use like row true or something. Oh, I still have the video thing, that's why. Okay, I'm just blind. Okay, I'm just gonna... Bro, just come on, dude. Okay, I'm just gonna push this to the repo then. What? There's 4 megabytes. I created a script to make adding, commenting, and pushing easier. I use it daily. What is it for again? I'm not sure if I understood it. Good stuff. Okay, there you go. Should I add another example maybe? Let's see the website that has been built with this. Guys, I don't know if you have seen this project, but this is super cool. And they actually make it work fully on the browser. Like, this is what you see in the terminal, and it's the same thing on the browser. It's just crazy. So let's just open Instant Notes. Okay. Start writing. Hi. Test. So this is fully Ratzilla and Ratatouille. So it's just crazy to me how this is actually working. But anyways, this is a cool project. This was also pretty nice. It's a blog. I think that's all the info that I want to put here. Alright, moving on to mouse food. Commenting. Oh, okay, got it now. Rust really starting a new era for web apps, to be honest. Rust 2 WASM is so insanely powerful. Yeah, absolutely, man. Embedded graphics. So I get a link to that. An embedded graphics backend supports no STD. We have some images already here, so I'm kind of happy about that. Demo JPEG. Contributed to most of videos to fix a little render bug. Nice. Shall I share the script? I think you can share it on Discord. You know, you cannot send links to YouTube chat, so that won't work. Yeah, TFT screen. Okay, that should be enough, I think. Let's see.
I'm not sure what else I can mention here. I think that's fine. Yep. There was one other project actually, Rat Salsa. I'm not sure if I'm gonna mention it now. I'm gonna ping the author of that to maybe, you know, make him write the docs for it, because I'm not really familiar with this at all. I mean, it's very cool. It's like another like framework or man, so many libraries in this one. So another like framework on top of Ratatouille, which enables you to do a bunch of window operations in the terminal. But yeah. Let me actually cancel this ecosystem projects. I'm gonna actually push the branch directly and create a PR on GitHub interface so that I can upload an image. Part of ecosystem. Just mentioning the basic information. Just mention general information about these projects and give links to the otherwise adding code examples, right? Yeah, I think that's just enough explanation. Code examples. All right. Oh, I forgot to ping the authors. Guys, any other thing that I can mention here, like any other project? Like I'm thinking of active ones, like an active and usable ones. Like I don't want to mention what was that, TUI UFI, because I don't think people will. Maybe they will create bootloaders with Ratatouille, but like I don't know if that's really active. Maybe we should mention this. That'll be funny. 2 weeks ago. But this feels like still feels like an experimentation to me, so yeah. Oh, the formatting failed. Svelte compiler. Is it because of the Node version, maybe? Dude, how am I supposed to... Oh, what the hell? Can I find module Svelte compiler? I swear to God I run into this exact issue before. I don't remember how I fixed it though. I think there was this is this the solution? Soft Ratatui, Yagoda, Baby Ratatui and Iwi all use it. Yeah, dude, please add it. Please add it. Maybe after this PR. I think I'm gonna leave it here with this one because I want to get some feedback on it first, and after this we can probably add soft Ratatouille as well. I have no idea what this means, but I'm gonna run it. I'll use it as a base when it's more mature, yep. Why am I missing a Svelte compiler, guys? Oh well, that worked, surprisingly. Okay. Apply formatting. I have no idea why that worked, but okay. I think this is in good shape. Alright. Moving on. Create compressed GIF. That was problematic. Did you mention Rust PSP plus Ratatouille? Oh, right. Let's do that actually. Let's do that. Not tip, but like info maybe. Mouse foot can also be used as a backend for any draw target that implements the for any edit graphics draw target, which means displays and platforms. For example, I think I have image of that here. Yeah, there you go.
Ratatui running on PSP. Via just PSP. That's a good that was a good idea. First, thank you. See how it looks like. I don't see the image for some reason. Should I just link to the talk? I'm gonna just link to the image from the talk repository. Where is it? PSP. Because this has been already uploaded here. Come on, dude, that should just work. There you go. This is not inside of an info box though. Why is that? There's no info box probably. What is it called then? Tip? Note? Note? What about your Twitter? I do not see it anywhere. I think that's yeah, we don't need to mention it in the website. Tooltip. Maybe tip would be better. Namco, welcome to Grindrat. Thanks for your support, man. You became a member to the channel. Wow, you have a lot of. I think there were some perks for that. But thanks for support, Namco. Really appreciate it. Accidentally deleted one of the columns. Grindrat. Namco should be a moderator at this point. He's always here, like always in the live streams. I think this is good. This is good. Yep. All right, let's add this. Let me run the formatter. Mention post PSP. Gonna hop off now. It's almost 4 AM here. Peace out and good luck. Have fun. Thanks, man. Thanks for sticking around. And yeah, keep grinding, man. I guess I'm
I'm thinking you're not gonna sleep but continue grinding because sleep is not compatible with the grind. But take care, man. Love you. Alright. Good grind. Guys, let me take a look at some other issues that we have in our hands. So we have... I grind in my sleep, of course, of course. No doubts. So guys, we finally got release please working. Not sure if you remember it, but we were trying to, like, you know, enable it again. And now it works. But the problem is, let's see. Is it me or his video lagging? Yeah, but my video is probably lagging. One sec. Yeah, sometimes it lags because of all the Rust analyzer stuff. It should be back now though. I see everything green. We dropped some frames there, like 3%. But should be good now. Should get a mouth guard. We mean like a pop filter. Okay, so the thing is, it works again. We have some alpha releases. Changelog is not updated at all for some reason. Ideally, this would be able to update a release preset version to new beta as your version instead of alpha, but that's not possible. Not sure if we can still use git cliff to clean up the changelog mess either here. I'd like to drop the alpha releases from the changelog and only have 0.29 to 0.30 beta and 3 show up. I suspect that we have automated ourselves into a problematic edge case that's difficult to navigate out of without doing a whole bunch of manual things. Okay. Now, I mean, grinding in your sleep is a condition. Your dentist will prescribe him out. Oh shit. Okay, right. I didn't get it. Sorry, my bad. My bad. That was a good joke. You know, it's that meme where my dentist told me I'm grinding in my sleep. He's a real one for that or something. You know, like. So I guess we need to do this manually now. Let me try to do it manually. Am I frozen? I'm just glitching. I'm just like glitchy. Guys, let me give you a little glitch show real quick. Little glitch show. Glitch art. Alright. Hope you liked it. Dude, you going into the Spider-Verse? What is this file? I just saw it. Maintainers.md. I think we need to update this. Let me just update it real quick. So I think Valentin is no longer a maintainer. Ratatui. I'm not able to type today. Past maintainers, teams, maintainers. Yeah, so when was the last time we updated this actually? This was outdated. Alright, so I was distracted. Let me go back to the topic. So let me take a look at the changelog. We have changes from the alpha, right? Just distracted from my phone. And I think the reason for that is git-cliff configuration. Skip tags, beta, alpha, and so on. But wait, why are we skipping those? I'm just gonna edit this PR. This is very annoying. Rebase main is up to date. Okay. So what happens if let me just fetch all the tags for a second. What happens if I do this? Or maybe let me just first export the token. Git-cliff. It's very hard to process this. I really don't see how this looks like. Oh my god. Alpha 4. Does this contain all the changes, like, from the past as well? Yeah, this is problematic. I'm gonna try something here. So I'm gonna ignore alpha. Guys, how's the music? I feel like it's been looping a lot. Let's just change it to something else. Why not use some funk? That would be a bit too aggressive, bro. So now we have like 430 lines of changelog. So is this being... Did you swerve in one of your old videos? Yeah, right. Maybe we can play it later. This hasn't been released. So okay, skip. Maybe that's because of the skip tags. So if I do this, let's see if the result will change or not. All right. Well, it's the same. The thing is, this changelog is for every crate, but for release please, this happens for only like for individual crates. So it updates the changelog for individual crates. Like we have two options here. Manually generate the changelog for each crate using glyph. We can potentially I guess Let me actually try to do that. So let me remove the changes MD. So Ratatui core. If I do this like that, is it gonna include the alpha releases? Actually, you know what? Let's just generate the whole thing. Let's just generate the whole thing. Guys, the music is very boring. Okay, what happened now? So unreleased. Why is it only generating? Wait, what? Oh, it's because there isn't any past versions of this grade. Grouping by is to be a bit. Maybe waiting for stuff to get. Yeah, just ask. Just ask. All right. Let's have a look at the other stuff here. There's some comments about the highlights. Also, we get a review for the website PR already. Effects and animations sound better than... Yeah, that's a fair point. I'd like to get the inline text implementation to review. Will state soon. That's great, man. I can take a look at that soon. Welcome, by the way. Man, I feel tired. Oh, the grind never ends. I think effects and animations is good. All right. Let's take a look at the highlights, comments. Shingo, thanks for updating the dependencies on the website. I'm really excited for the landing page. It's gonna be really nice, I think. So, yeah, there's some comments. I'm not sure if I want to address everything here now, but we can at least like take a look at some comments. So, Cyberfinks is doing an amazing job. Yeah, absolutely. So, fix typo in and add visual tests and examples. So what was the typo here? Josh asked. I remember there was one typo, but I'm unable to see it now. Let's see. Clouds die. I saw it. I'm just gonna fix it now. Outs die, dude. Let's see if there's any other typo in here. I also said add visual tests and examples. Do we have tests for the inner block? Erect. Let me actually pull it up here. It's just taking forever because Rust Analyzer is building stuff. I'm also lagging right now. Also lagging. Guys, let me use the restroom real quick while this is building stuff. I'll be back in a sec. Alright, we're back. Hopefully everything is built so that I won't wait for extra Rust Analyzer time. I'm just doing a search in the wrong project. I think it's in the layout rect, yeah. So do we have like inner tests? Nope. Do we have snapshots for this actually? I don't think we have snapshot tests for this. But you must have some buffer tests somewhere. Alright, this is what I want. I have added this outer method. Can you give me a visual test like this one? This is an example snippet. Where did you use the outer method? Is there a fill method actually? I don't think we have that. Filled. Yeah. Just use this method. No, I mean, you can create a new cell instead of filling with for loops. Yeah, let's try this. We can just try it here, I think. Wow, everything is lagging. What is this split thing doing? So outer buffer, base buffer. Merge it into the main buffer. What? Oh, okay. I think you can just like update the that's a problem. There's a merge method. There should be a easy constructor for cell. New. Yeah, we can just use new. All right. Let's run the test. What is this building now? It's just building the whole universe. What? Okay, this should be fine. When I save this, it just builds all the examples and everything. I have no idea why that's happening. I should just stop the Rust Analyzer probably. Stop. It's just crazy. Why is it like that? Just kill the process, dude. Buffer RS. I didn't change anything in there. Dude, what the hell? What? Okay. It looks alright to me. Okay. I should probably add tests for the inner one as well. GenAI is supposed to create recommendations for test cases. Yeah. Let me just fix the typo first. Fix reg typo or fix typo in the outer function. Let me just generate, not generate, sorry, create the PR. Okay, create pull request, link it to here. So should I just like generate similar tests for the rest? Test for the rest rhymes, bro. So okay, so the final test. Similarly, can you generate tests for the other significant functions in this module? Inner buffer. Union buffer. I don't know which one is better, dude. I think I'm gonna prefer the second one. I love seeing other people's command aliases. Yeah, people don't like my aliases actually. I don't know why. I think I have the perfect ones. Yeah, let me just try this out at least. Nightly. Just features STD. It'll fail. I think I'm gonna just stop the LSP first, because it's just, no, not uninstall, just stop it, because it's just killing my resources. Rust analyzer, okay.
Sorry for not talking too much, guys. I'm pretty much locked in at this point. Offset. Let's see the offset. So this is supposed to move it. By the way, when are you coming to Japan? My flight is on Tuesday. And I'll be there on Wednesday something. I don't know. The flight takes some time. But I'll be there until Monday, so we have time. I have at least a couple of days to spend in Tokyo, so if you have any recommendations, I would be happy to check them out. I gotta bounce. All the best for the Japan conference. I'm looking forward to your recordings and good grind. Thanks, man. Thanks for sticking around, and yeah, thanks for good wishes. I'll see you on Discord or on the internet somewhere. All right, take care. I know that I'm lagging right now because of fucking cargo. See you, man. Take care. Just need to uninstall Rust Analyzer, man. I'm confused about this output actually. All right. Intersection. There's actually three buffers here. I'm actually gonna do something like this. I think this is more readable. I'm really curious about this output. Fucking Rust Analyzer, man. I cannot look. I'm lagging as shit right now.
Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Clamp. Okay, this is the last one. Where's the unit test for this, dude? Alright, let me try to verify this. So we create an area, create a rectangle. Clamped. Yeah, I think this is correct. Yeah. All right. I like this. These tests actually, they look pretty cool. All right. So I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna go to main. Actually, let me just stash this. Test, add, visual, rect, tests. Test, this is test layout, add visual buffer tests to rect methods. All right. Oh, did I just push the main? God damn it. That was a rookie mistake. Okay, let me just get the PR, sorry, the commit hash. Guys, you didn't see this, alright? It just exists, what? Okay, cherry pick. Guys, you didn't see anything, alright? Nobody pushed the main. Nobody pushed it. Don't clip this. See what? See what, man? What happened? What are you talking about? So what was the last comment?
Nobody see nothing, alright? Oh my god. Push protection, man. Dude, there is a push protection. There is a push protection, but it doesn't work. No, I want to rename the branch. Look. Pushes. Force. Where's the branch protection? This is gonna be really stupid, but I need to... Look. Hello. Force pushes. Save change. Oh my god. Guys, once... This is funny. This is funny. Okay, guys. So... Let me just fix this real quick. Look. It requires a pull request. But you can actually just push it. Doesn't make sense. Something is wrong here. Something is wrong. I don't know. Like this normally this should not allow pushing directly to the main. But yeah. No, nobody's seen nothing, bro. I mean, look at the main. It's just 4 days ago still. It's 4 days ago, right? Nobody's seen nothing. I don't know why the CI is now, now triggered. Sometimes there's some delays in the GitHub workflows, like it happens. Okay, I'm taking a look at the PRs. Okay, cool. So where's my PR? Where's the PR, dude? I think I pushed to a branch somewhere here. Yeah. Yeah, we should look into the push protection. Looks pretty cool, I think. Alright, so that's that, basically. I'm gonna resolve this conversation. I can also go to this branch. I don't know why I'm still lagging. Just restarted my video, it should be fine now. So let's see. Rename, alignments, rename. Yeah, this is done. I'm not sure if we should use past tense here. What we do for other entries and might cause inconsistency.
Make this section read better. Basically, copy pasted something. I think I can focus on that later. Execution. Move this up in the highlights. Okay, let's move it up. Maybe here. Not before no STD. Maybe here it would be better. Execution. Widgets. Backend. Alright, resolving. Guys, 1 second. I'll be back. All right. So Josh said we should talk about the badge. Ratatui badge. All right. All right, that's also done. Here would be good to add a paragraph pointing at the major items in the highlights. In this release, okay, let me try to do that with Copilot. Add a paragraph. No. I'm just gonna use ChatGPT. Can you
Give me a paragraph. It should also link to the relevant sections, not too long. No, that's too long. Yeah, that's alright. This is our... Yeah, let's just mention this. Yeah. Alright, that should be alright. Let's take a look at how it looks like. Industrial modular is the craze. Alright, it should be enough. I think this comment... Not sure where this file came from. I think this belongs to somewhere.
Avoid heavy kick drums, aggressive snares, warble both, modern new loudness, no harsh compression, no drops, no burst, prior real.
Just need a review. Okay. What the hell are these changes? Wait, this doesn't look right. Just updated this. There's my commit. Dude, what? It's just the feedback, so this has been pushed here, but I don't see it here. What the f— oh. What the hell is going on, dude? Am I hallucinating or something? Because where's this commit? Git push fork. What the fuck? What? Okay, wait a minute. I think I'm tripping. Check out, check out fork. I don't know what happened there, but I think I fixed it. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let me take a look at this again. Guys, let's try to fix the VHS tape now, because it's been living in my head rent-free for a couple of weeks now. I just want to get rid of that. So this is a demo.
demo 2 tape. So this is the demo 2 tape. It's the actual code. So if I run this, it runs cargo run p demo 2. Just waiting, man. So we get this thing and then we down red eye. So I'm gonna actually remove all these things. Remove the screenshot, remove the sleep. I'm gonna try to generate this simple demo too. It should just show the demo and then with the red eye. Yeah, you see, it's not on the right spot. It should be here, but it draws it here. So why is that? Because of the colors, maybe? Where do we actually draw the UI? Self. Okay, so there's a widget implementation for the app. I'm gonna remove this. I'm just trying to like simplify it. Title bar. Okay, which one is actually rendering the colors and stuff like that? Bottom bar, it's a bit weird. Render, select the tab. Okay, so this one is rendering the colors. RGB swatch about tab, so yeah, let's try to generate it now like this without colors. Yeah, it worked. I'm curious about something.
So I'm gonna generate the whole thing without colors. What is it doing exactly? Just presses tab. Come on, dude, just generate the GIF. Come on. Okay. Yeah, it's glitching still. It's now glitching on the other pages. Guys, I think I'm done for today, to be honest. The RGB swatch, it is kind of better, but still glitchy. Guys, any questions for me or anything that you want to say? Because I'm pretty much done with this live stream. I need to go ahead and grind some other projects. Git Cliff. And other stuff. So, gotta go and do that. Who's still here? Only the lurkers are left, I see. Anyways. Guys, thanks for watching, I guess. Thanks for sticking around. Shout out to everyone. Shout out to OGs. Shingo, Namco, Ferris, Vaishnav. Who else? Gold, Silver, Copper. We have a Discord, like I said. We're thinking of doing a community hangout session today. I might live stream that or not. I'm not sure. So you can join the Discord by
We're just going to go to the website, and there's a button there. You just go to Discord and you can join. We have a lot of talented people there. You can just be one of us. It's free. But yeah, if you have money and if you want to still spend it, consider sponsoring me. There's a link in the description. Hit the bell, subscribe, whatever. I'll see you in the next one, everyone. I'm out. Take care. I just like PHP a lot.